In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account to your PayPal business account using the web interface. If you're looking to easily manage your business finances on PayPal, linking your bank account is a vital first step. It's a convenient way to handle transactions and streamline your financial processes. Let's dive in and explore how you can efficiently set this up. First things first, open your browser and head over to the PayPal website at paypal.com. Once you're there, sign into your PayPal business account using your credentials. A good tip to remember is to ensure your password is both strong and memorable for quick access in the future. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the navigation menu. Here, you'll want to click on Wallet. Alternatively, you can also navigate to Pay and Get Paid, and then choose Banks and Cards. Once you're in the Wallet section, you will see an option to Link a Bank Account. Click on this to start the process. PayPal provides a convenient list of banks to choose from, and if your bank is not immediately visible, you can use the search function to find it. This makes it really easy to locate your bank amidst the multitude of options available. Now, you're faced with two linking options to choose from. The first is the Instant Link option. If you want a quick setup, this is the best route. Simply log in using your bank credentials when prompted. This securely and swiftly connects your bank account with your PayPal account in just a few clicks. It's effective, and you're ready to go in virtually no time at all. The second option is a bit more traditional, intended for those who prefer a manual approach. If you wish to manually link your account, select the Link Another Way option. Afterward, you'll need to provide your account type, which could be either checking or savings. In addition, you'll input your bank's code, also known as the routing number, and your account number. Once you've double-checked that all information is correct, click Agree and Link to proceed. If you're following the manual link path, there is an additional step. PayPal will deposit two small amounts into your bank account, typically amounts as small as P0.10 and P0.29. It's a verification step to confirm the bank details you've provided. Within 1 to 7 business days, check your bank statement for these deposits. Once you see them, return to the Wallet section in your PayPal account, select the bank you added, and enter the exact deposit amounts to confirm the link. And there you have it. Your bank account will now be seamlessly linked to your PayPal business account, making transactions a breeze. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you.